Hey everyone, it's a gray drizzly day here in the PNW. What a better day to be in the studio. Let's take a look. My puppies are all ready for a day in the studio. They sit on that body pillow and sit in front of the fire when it's cold. Otherwise they just hang out and sleep. So this is my studio. When we first moved into this property, this place was just studs and no drywall, no electricity except for one really sad lamp. But now it houses all my art and my projects and my motorcycles. Michael's motorcycle too. But yeah, check out my blog on how we put this place together. It took lots of time and effort and friends to do it. This is my rack where I hold all of my projects, all of the things that I want to do or have done. It holds supplies that I've purchased and have no use for yet, but someday I will use that thing. And then we go on, I found some frames that I'd like to use in the future. That's my market boxes, and this lovely art on the wall was done by my kid when they were in kindergarten, and it just still to this day makes me happy, like 20 years later. Then back to the chimney that is not actually functional at this point. The stove is electric and it puts out this great flame and heat for my little Laverta. This bench is incredible. It was original to the shop. You could put a 57 Chevy on top of that thing and it would be just fine. It's like 16 feet long. Holds all my stuff, including a light table. This is where I do all my printing. So there's my inks and my press that I love. This is my coolest toy. And then it's called Woodzilla. And then I have that one from Blick. Is more of my market day stuff sitting next to my computer desk, which my dad made before he passed. And I listen to music here and do some online work here. What I use the most is this big, huge counter. And the counter came out of the house, and I believe it was in the kitchen. A lot of painting here, as you can see. It holds all of my projects. I do all my packaging, sketching. This is the center piece of the whole workshop. So that is a walk through my studio. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you at my next market, which is in Tenino, the second Saturday in September. We will see you then.